Starting with page 2 of our practice test, we wanted to use the distributive property on our first term. So we're going to take 2 times x, which is 2x. 2 times 3y is 6y. 2 times negative 2z is negative 4z. None of them are like terms. There's your answer. On question number 8, before we add, we have to distribute. So we're going to distribute the 6 inside the parentheses. So we go 3 plus 30a plus 24an. And notice this says an, and our next one says na. Does the order matter? No, it doesn't. So I'm going to go plus 9an. So in other words, these last two are indeed like terms. I can combine those. I can't combine 3 with anything because there's no other just number. I can't combine 30a with anything because there's no just a. But 24an plus 33a, or plus 9an, my brain went too fast for you there, is 33an. Notice when we add, we don't add the exponents, we just add the numbers, and there's our answer. 33 plus 30a plus 33an. Now in question number 9, we've got 7a plus 7a squared. They are not like terms. That's like a rectangle and a square. When you add a rectangle and a square, you get a rectangle and a square. You can't combine them. And then plus 14b squared. Nothing are like terms. So we go to our directions here. It tells you, hey, if you can't combine anything, we are going to write simplified. That's all we got to do. We're just going to say, this is simplified. There's your answer for that one. Okay, another order of operation question. On question 10, let's multiply first. So 6 times 8 is 48. I'll skip the plus for now. And 3 times 7 is 21. Now we just add our way across. 48 plus 29. So we'll do that here. So 48 plus 29 is 77. So I'll go 77 plus 7 plus 21. 77 plus 7 is 84. Plus 21 gives us 105 for a solution there. Taking a look at question number 11. Once again, I want to multiply before I do any adding, so I'll go 32 plus. I can take 6 times 4, that's 24. So plus 24. I'll take 7 times 4, that's 28, plus 16. Now we'll just add across. 32 plus 24 is 56. 56 plus 28 plus 16. Let me see. 6 and 8 is 14, and 5 and 3 is 8. So 56 plus 28 is 84. 84 plus 16 is 100. That's what we're going to get for a solution there. On question 12, we want to write the debt to income ratio if the monthly expenses is going to be your debt. And his salary, well, that's going to be his income. So we're going to say 1,300 to 2,000 because that's all we want. Just want the ratio. Notice I can divide both the numerator and denominator by 100, which is really just crossing off the zeros. So we get 13 to 20. There is your debt to income ratio. So for every $13 he spends, he's making $20. Question 14 says Mrs. Holmes has a bag of 48 lollipops she wants to divide evenly among her 15 students. What's the rounded number she should give each student, because you can't give part of a lollipop. So we take 48 divided by 15. Notice that is not a whole number, is it? So we take 48 divided by 15, and we get 3.2. Now, the natural thing to say is each student gets 3 lollipops. Not only is it the natural thing, it's the correct thing to do. Even if her answer was like 3.9, we'd have to round it down because she doesn't have enough lollipops to give each student 4, so she does have enough to give each student 3 with a little bit left over. 3 times 15 would be 45. She'd have 3 left over for herself or to save for next time or give to her family.